What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, you and I will be drawing yellow from Rainbow Friends Chapter 2. Let's begin today's lesson along the top left side of my page with the top edge of the head. I'm going to start down here, start with a curve going up. I'm going to bend that out towards the right, towards the top point of the head. Now along the bottom, I'm just going to round this out, come down and up. Let's bend this up and then across towards the right. Let's add another bend. We're going to go up and then out. Let's connect the top and bottom line with a curve. We're going to bend this in towards the head, come down and then out. Now in the center of the head, we're going to draw a large circle for the eye. Let's start from the very top in the middle, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to draw the left eye tucked in behind the head. So let's line up the top over on the left, go out, come down, and then bend that in. Now let's add in the pupils. Let's start with the one on the left, going up, and bend that down. Let's line this up over on the right. We're going to draw a small circle, going all the way around, come down towards the bottom, and then bend that in. Let's fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now with the head complete, let's tuck the body in underneath. We're going to start on the right, bend the arm going out, and bring that all the way down towards the elbow. Let's round out the elbow, pull the forearm going up and then in towards the left. Now it's going to blend into the first finger. It's going to round out the top and then bring that down, draw the top of the finger going up and bend that in. Let's layer the second finger in behind. From the tip, step up, out and down, curve this up towards the top of the hand, in towards the forearm, and then just bend that down, aiming towards the elbow. Now along the top of the arm, let's add the sleeve. We're going to go up, and then bend that down on top of the forearm. Now we move over towards the left, draw the front of the body, going out, and then down. Let's draw the left arm in behind. We're going to start out here, then out, then down. Draw the same finger. We're going to go up towards the top, and then that in. Let's layer the second finger in behind. Stepping up, so bend this down, go up towards the top of the hand, and then bend that down in behind the body. Let's draw on the edge of the collar. We're going to start from the top of the body. We're going to come down, and we want to bend that up. Let's trace the top of the sleeve, going up and then back down. Let's add those two straps on either side. Start with two short lines coming in, and then pull that straight down. Now we're going to go over towards the elbow and draw the back side of the leg. We're going to leave a small gap, bend the leg, coming down and then in. Let's create an overlap. Stepping up, then this down and out towards the heel. Round out the heel, come down and in towards the bottom of the foot. Now we want to round out the foot, coming down and back up. Let's draw the top of the foot. We'll go up, just going to bend this down, aiming towards this point along the right side. Now I'm going to go back up and draw the front of the thigh. Let's line up the top of the leg over on the left, bend this out and then down towards the knee. Round out the knee and then bend that in. Close off the front of the foot with a curve going down to the front, and it'll separate the toes with one curve going up and then in. Now I want to continue the outside curve of the body underneath the arm, and come down and just bend that in behind the leg. Now I want to duplicate that leg in behind on the left side. Let's start from the knee, start from the heel, come down and then out towards the bottom of the foot, and we'll curve the foot, going down and then back up. Let's draw the top of the foot, going up and then bending that down, and it will separate the toes. Now going back up to the top, let's draw the outside of the thigh and line this up, going out and then down towards the knee, round up the knee and then bend that in. Let's close off the front of the foot. And then along the top, we're just going to add a small curve. Now we're going to place the tail inside this gap. From the elbow, let's step up, bend the tail going out, and then up towards the tip. Round out the tail, come down, and then bend that back in towards the leg. Now that we've completed the body, let's place that propeller in behind. We're going to start up here, start with a straight angle line, coming down, in behind that point. And we want to continue in behind the body. Let's go back up to the top, move over towards the right, and draw that same angled line, coming all the way down and then in behind. Let's close off the top with a curve. Now there's 3 propeller blades along the top. From these 2 corners, just going to angle this up toward the left, and then the right. And we'll close off the top with a straight line. Now let's add 2 blades going out towards the side. From these 2 points, go straight out in behind the head on the left. Let's continue out a little bit further. Go over towards the right and draw that same length line. Now from the end on the left, we're just going to angle this down in behind the head. Let's go to the right side, angle this down and then out. Now going back to the inside of the blade, you want to step down. We're just going to angle this down and then out in behind the head on the left. It's going to come down towards the right side. And now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw yellow from Rainbow Friends Chapter 2. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.